Good morning. Today is 1st December 2012. We just completed the whole of November. Let's recap MT4 Expert Advisor, our investor portfolio. To access to the MT4 investor portfolio, just come to our this homepage and we provide a direct link here. Just click here and you will link you into our portfolio. Okay, this is some of the funds that we are currently managing, and this is just some of the investor records. We have some high net worth funds, which is the investor is not comfortable to disclose their positions. We thank you for those investors that are willing to share their account performance to the public. Okay. You can notice that we are actually using the MT4I trading report publications now instead of MT4 statistics. Main reason is start from the 16th of November. We notice that the MT4 statistic is no longer reliable. That's why we decided to switch to the new provider. However, we are still keeping the old records on our blog. Okay, but you can see the record actually stopped on the 16th of November. Okay, so far, let's look at the performance of this by month first. Click on the statistic, and you can see overview, the chart, open and close position, the symbol. So for the symbol, because we are only trading one currency pair, which is GBP USD. Okay, and you go by the month. Let's look at the month. Okay, for the month of November, we are actually making total 1,661 trade. Our gross profit is 14,686. Our loss trade total is minus 2,896. So our net profit means the gross profit minus away the losses. We got 11,790. This is talking about 11.3% percentage gain over the capital invested. Okay. If you look into the week, as our this MT4 started managing investor funds not too long ago, probably by now is less than 3 months, and because we are progressively accepting investor, that's why you can see the number of trades also increasing according to the funds that we are managing. Okay, so last week on the weekly basis, we have a total gain of $5,008, and we make total 490 trades. It's considered a comfortable achievement, and this is a very comprehensive account reporting providers. You can actually take a look in details, and there are many types of charts available for analysis. For instance, you can see the cumulative banking returns. Okay, this is a per day chart. So you can see that from the first day We have slight drawdown here. I think it's about on the 9th of October, when you have couple account got hijacked. But after that, we actually overcome the problem. So now we are no longer using the third-party applications, and we are no longer disclose our trader password to the public. Okay, and all our clients are advised to only use the investor password when they want to view their account statement. Okay, so you can see our profit is steadily going up at the mark of 13,000 plus now. Okay, if you look at the cumulative fee gains, okay, and if you notice, go by months, you know, when we first started, because we got very few accounts that we are managing and the capital is considered small. After that, we start to open up for public investor. I mean, mainly our friends, our relatives, and our own funds. You can see we start to grow. And on the month of November, that is our best month that we achieve about 12% gain. Okay, we hope to see the December and look at it and see how the performance. There are many graphs that we can actually plotting here, but they are very important so-called plotting P&L that I would like to share, and I think this is very important in terms of professional automated forex trading. Sorry, this is not the chart. Okay, this is the risk. Okay, as viewer can see, actually our strategy, our robot is actually at all times controlling the risk based on our account balance at a very comfortable level. Okay, so we are actually maintaining our probability of losses below single digit. That means below 10% all time. So you can see there's a lot of information here. But I would like to show, I try to demo a particular important one. This is a profit that we bank in on a daily basis. And this is the cumulative growth okay, by percentage. This other one is by amount. Okay, this is the one. This is a floating P&L against the money that bank, that means with profit that we book. Okay, so as you can see, at times we have a floating P&L is normally the amount that against us. Okay, so when we have accumulated higher profit, we are further away from the zero mark. Okay, so that's why we are encouraging our this forex investor to set longer horizons, probably 3 years or 5 years. Okay, because the longer that the amount managed by our robot is the safer, and also we are able to grow the profit more consistently. Okay. Um, okay. This is the currently the plotting losses that we are holding, and and this is just now, we mentioned that there's a plotting P&L that is important, and this is the pocket or the bank. We already book the profit. Um, for our individual investor, you probably also can come to the portfolio here and look at your individual account. Okay, for example, I click on one of my small account. Okay, I can see the performance so far. I got a gross profit 832. I got profit loss of 112. Total my investment for the amount 2.5 months is 18.5%. Okay, my 2.5 month average return is 7.5%. That means every month I'm getting 7.5%. Okay, so my account history is about 80 days. Of course, I can go into all the transaction details that I don't want to cover now. Okay, and this is my another account that I public. This is my 5,000 account. As you can see, this account have a gross profit of 1,214, uh, profit loss of minus 151. The total returns to date is 12.4%. Average monthly return 7.6%. Okay, and we have other investor account here. So thank you for listening, and we hope that we are going to have a better week, better months ahead. Thank you very much.